Hello everyone, my name is Laura and I am a biomedical science student here at the University of East London. So today we're in the laboratory after a lecture on hematological disorders. Come with me, let's see what we have. Okay, so over here we can see different students working on the group project that we have today. So today we're just identifying some pathological disorders on hematological smears. Let's see what we have on the tablet. Okay, so if we come right here, we can see this lovely student looking at a slide on the tablet. So this is a very educative way of us learning because we get to actually see what the slides look like in real life without actually going and seeing the slide physically. We can see it on the tablet. How cool is that? Okay, if we move further, we can see reference papers. So we get to cross-check our answers to see if we're doing the right thing, if we're making the right observations. And I think it's just a really fun way to learn because look at everyone talking with each other. Look at them making friends. We're interacting. We're having a good time. We have our wonderful lecturers over there who are helping the students. And I think that we're learning a lot this way because what do they say? You learn better when your hands are present. So we're learning hands-on. Ciao, ciao.